Burmese python. Born smaller than a shoelace, this serpent grows into a 20-foot monster capable of swallowing a deer whole. Explorers, witness nature's most patient predator. In the steamy jungles of Southeast Asia, Burmese pythons reign as apex ambush hunters. These powerful animals remain motionless for days, waiting for unsuspecting prey to wander within striking distance. When the moment arrives, they explode forward with terrifying speed, wrapping muscular coils around victims and squeezing tighter with every exhale. Their hunting equipment is extraordinary. Heat-sensing pits along their jaws detect warm-blooded prey in complete darkness. Flexible skulls allow Burmese pythons to consume animals 5 times wider than their own heads. Digestion takes weeks, during which their organs actually grow larger to process massive meals. Female Burmese pythons display remarkable maternal behavior rarely seen in reptiles. Mother pythons coil around their eggs for months, shivering their muscles to generate heat and protect developing babies. This dedication makes these wild animals unexpectedly tender parents. Unfortunately, released pet pythons have become invasive throughout Florida in the United States, disrupting native ecosystems and prompting massive removal efforts. This environmental crisis has generated trending headlines and viral stories worldwide, transforming these snakes into symbols of responsible pet ownership. Conservation teams now use radio tracking and educational programs to manage python populations. Learning about these incredible animals helps communities understand both their ecological importance in Asia and the challenges they create elsewhere. The Burmese python commands both fear and respect across our world. Which snake superpower amazed you most? Leave a comment sharing your thoughts below. Smash that like button, subscribe to Fun Animal Superpowers, and slither into more thrilling wild animal adventures. These fun educational journeys continue next video.